part of Ravenna Country Club's strategic plan to seek out technologies that can help us do our job better. So a year ago, we were spending about an hour and a half making daily adjustments and probably accounting for 100 changes a day. Using Spatial Adjust, it's about a 10-minute review, and we're making 400 changes a day.
What Spatial Adjust does for us is reading the volumetric water content that's inside the top 3 inches of the soil, which helps us make determinations on where, when, and why we irrigate a certain area. It's changing our day-to-day operations by allowing us to focus on areas of need more than the entire piece of property.
Our irrigation techs are spending less time finding dry spots on the golf course, and they're spending their time fine-tuning adjustments on irrigation heads, checking bad nozzles.
We have to pay for our water. We don't have well water, so there's an economic benefit to be able to, reduce the amount of water usage that we have and still create a great experience.
After about 3 weeks of using Spatial Adjust, we've really realized the consistency on our golf course. It's just never been as good as it is.
We hear all the time how well the ball sits up now in the fairways, how the greens are holding and how the greens are rolling. And, for our members, the key thing is the quality of the course. And I think this type of product really helps improve that experience and makes it enjoyable for our members that want to be out here and play a lot of golf.
I think about the golf course much less outside of work. I have the confidence that Spatial Adjust is going to repeat the conditions or duplicate the conditions from day to day.
It's fun. It makes irrigation fun again. It's changing the landscape of irrigation day by day, especially here on our property.